Hey guys, how you doing today? So we have a 2003 Cadillac CTS that the rear brakes are metal to metal, so it's going to get rotors and pads, and it also needs a rear window regulator. He's had this back window taped up. You can see that the regulator's not good on it. I've already ordered the parts, and what I did to troubleshoot this back window is I simply pushed the button to see if I could hear the motor trying to run, and I did. So that tells me it's got power, got ground, it's got everything it needs back here. It's trying to run, but the window regulator is messed up. So we're going to put a window regulator in it. Now, if this happened to yours, it just quit working, you would want to see if you had power back here before you just ordered a window regulator. But if you can hit the button and you can hear the motor trying to move the window, but the window's not moving, then that's a pretty safe bet that you've got power and ground and everything back there, and it's not a switch problem, and you just need a regulator. So we're going to put a regulator in this, and then in another video, I'm going to be putting rear brakes and rotors on it. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is take this little screwdriver. This is actually a little pry tool, but a flat blade screwdriver will work. You've got a little cover right here that pops out, and then your latch will pull off. Got a little cover down here that I'm going to snap off. You got two Phillips screws that come out. And the little cover should snap off there. Come in from the bottom, unhook the bottom, and then pop the top out. Top is just being held on with these little tabs right there. Okay, so this door panel just pops straight out, so we're going to come in with our little tool here. And start popping her loose. The unique thing about this particular door panel is that the connector for the speaker and the switch and everything is all integrated into the door panel. Kind of an interesting design. Anyway, make sure your clips, make sure all these little clips are in good shape. All these actually popped out together. A lot of times you'll break them. You may have to order new ones. Now it's just a matter of getting this plastic weather seal pulled back to where we can get to the regulator. Looks like we got some 10 millimeters. One 10 millimeter, and then it'll pull forward. And then at that point, you're going to unsnap it from its little clip, turn it. You got a little hook right there. Just going to unhook it. Just going to push these little tabs down on these pins. Actually, I think I'm just going to let that hang just like that. That should give us everything we need. So if you're, ideally you want to position your window. You've got two. Let's see if I can get this one. Okay, I'm going to cut this cable. The cable is all rat nested. And I think if I cut the cable, this cable right here, I can see it, I'll be able to move this window up and down. You've got two 10mm here. You got one right here and another one right here. You got to take them out, and I can easily get to them, but ideally that's what these two holes are for. So I'm just going to reach in here. I'm going to cut that cable that's preventing me from moving this window up. Well, we got it up higher. And I don't even know if you got to take these all the way out. I think it looks like it's just clamping the window to the regulator. So I'm just going to loosen them. We'll have this connector. Old regulator. And you can see what happens here. Yeah, it just clamps to the window. Another kind of unique design. New regulator. Some of these has got a large washer, and then it looks like these two slotted ones do not have the large area washer. And I'm going to go ahead and tighten these up. The nuts are not clamped. You might be able to see that. Maybe, maybe not. You can see the clamp right there. I'm just going to bring the window down. Make sure it slides down into its clamping brackets. Snug them up. And that should be it. Now, what you can do, just to make sure, is I'm just going to plug the connector here together. And that's as far as it goes right there. And that's it, guys. It's been probably about 15 or 20 minutes. We've got this new regulator in, windows going up and down, and just go in reverse order now. And we're done. He'll be happy to keep the rain out of it. You can see where he's had a plastic bag and duct tape on the window. I'm gonna let him clean all that off because that's the biggest job out of any of it. Anyway, 2003 Cadillac CTS rear window regulator. You guys take care.